So we will learn about free body diagram. Okay, it's a very interesting topic. This is the backbone of entire mechanics. So please concentrate and listen to each and every single word I say. Correct. First of all, my request is that the tendency of the student is that after learning about free body diagram, they make plenty of their own contribution into the free body diagram. So after few concept and misconcept mingle together, जो निकल के आता है वो अपना बॉडी डायग्राम बन जाता है, फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम नहीं बनता. So be precise and be conceptual in your approach. Correct. In short, this is called FBD. So first point I am writing in FBD, only the forces acting on a body are shown within bracket, not the reactions. That is the first point. All right. What about the second point? Acceleration within bracket, either magnitude or direction is not essentially the part of FBD. Correct? Okay, fine. So yes, for our convenience, there will be some occasions when we will be showing the acceleration. But what you have to remember, the acceleration is not the part of the free body diagram. We will be doing it for the ease of our calculation. Correct? No? Right. So on the basis of that, now I am going to write what are the prerequisites of drawing the free body diagram. First of all, if you take two masses, let us say this is M1 and this is M2. Remember, M1 is attracted by M2 towards it with a gravitational force Fg. In the similar way, M2 is also attracted towards M1 with the same gravitational force Fg, and here Fg will be equal to G M1 M2 by R square. I think this you have learned in class 9th and 10th. This is R. Then the force of interaction is this much, and it is of equal magnitude. So what we have to know further from here is these two forces, they form action-reaction pair. As per Newton's third law. Is that okay? Correct? Okay. So now I'm coming to the second prerequisites. So this is prerequisite 1 and this is prerequisite 2. Normal reaction will come into effect between two surfaces in contact. if there is another surface other than the mentioned above, then normal reaction of the first interface will not contribute into the normal reaction of the second interface. Fair enough? Is that clear? Right? Just wait for some time, you will get more clarity when I will give the pictorial representation. Prerequisite 3. Yes, Vikash?
So please scroll up.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So 3 is gravity being action at a distance force will act everywhere irrespective of being in contact or not. Okay. Right now? Clear for everyone? Yes, Rahul?
Sir, sir, in P2, mentioned after what, sir? Not understand.
Mentioned above.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Pranit?
Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, once can you explain prediction 2 and prediction 3 one more time, sir?
I will explain 10 more times, but have some patience, please.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, Rushikesh?
Sir, scroll up, sir.
Okay.
More, sir.
3 seconds only. Done?
Yes, sir.
Right. Chal, now we are actively coming for the example to understand everything in detail. So first I am going to take the easiest example actually. That there is only earth surface. This is ground. And over ground a block is kept. Right? See. Now what is going to be the free body diagram of this situation that I am going to depict? So for that purpose, what I will do now, I will just have a little bit of separation in between them to understand things better. So now this is ground and here I have kept the block. This is block M. Now try to understand that ground means what? Ground means it is the bigger, it's a smaller part of the larger picture. It is earth actually. Right? No? Clear? Okay. So, first thing first, this ground will attract the block with force mg in this direction. Correct? As a result, ground will offer it some kind of normal reaction in the upward direction. This is N. Clear? The block will also return this force on the ground. This is N. Right? And at the same time, the block is also attracting earth towards it with what force? mg. Perfect. So this is the FBD in this case. Okay. Yes, David.
Sir, once again explain, sir.
Which part?
That FBD, sir.
FBD in which part? Which part you are getting confused?
That normal force. Why again it's acting downwards, sir?
To each and every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Yes, sir.
There is a guy standing in front of you. Suppose if you do not believe in Gandhian philosophy, he slaps you hard. What will you do? You will slap him hard too. So here the earth is slapping with force N. The block is also slapping with force N. They do not believe in Gandhian philosophy. They believe in Subhash Chandra Bose philosophy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes, Naita?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah.
Sir, as long as the particle, I mean, that body is with contact with the ground, then only no, sir, normal reaction will act.
It is told, madam, normal reaction will come into effect between two surfaces in contact.
But two surfaces are not in contact, no, sir.
Yeah, they are in contact only, no?
It is raised up, no, sir.
I thought this is only for the convenience to understand better.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Fine. Don't worry, I am learning graphics actually. It will take for 10-15 days. After that, I will show it in graphics only. It will be better. Sridham?
Sir, you take 2 times, no, sir, mg.
Yes, 2 times I have to take, na?
One is the gravity of the mass, and another is.
No.
Sir.
Take science as science is. No apna theorem, right? It says this mg, downward mg, is the gravitational force exerted by earth on the block.
Okay, sir.
This upward mg is the gravitational force exerted by block on earth.
Okay, sir.
Understood now?
Okay, sir.
Right. Yes, Nikhil?
Sir, what did you explain on Friday's morning class?
Oh, that I will discuss later, not now. Okay, now let the lecture be complete. Okay, now?
Okay, okay, sir.
Right. Sure. Next, let us come to example 2. So what I am doing, I am just increasing the complexity level a little bit, not much, a little. Now, from example 2 onwards, all of you have to show me what you have done, whether it is correct or wrong, don't worry. Be it correct, be it wrong, but do it, whatever coming in your mind. So suppose this is M1, above it there is another block, M2. That's it. Chalo, go for it. Yes, Raja?
Sir, as like same as like example 1 only, sir, but only this mass 1 and mass 2 as one force.
Diagram speaks.
Okay. Shall I show the diagram?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, Mr. Akash?
Sir, the normal reaction between the M1 and ground will act, sir, as N1 upward of the M and N1 down of the block, sir.
No
towards the-
language, diagram.
Sir, I have no. I don't have camera in PC. Sir.
Huh? Okay. So just buy a webcam, no? Even a normal webcam will come into the handy actually purpose. 600, 700 it will cost maximum. Buy a webcam, okay?
Okay, sir.
Fine, okay. Chalo. Maniteja. Yes, I think so. Okay. Pushkar have tried. Sai Vardhan has done. Siddharth has done. Pranit has done. Okay. Varshit has done. Where is Vignesh Mama? Vignesh Mama is still sleeping today, I think. Okay. Okay, Snehita. Good. Fine, everyone. Yeah, Satya. Dinesh, okay. Oh, no, Vignesh Mama is there. రే బాబు
సార్ అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వచ్చా సార్.
And diagram, where is diagram? Show me.
I didn't have any notes, sir. By unfortunately we came, sir.
Write on the wall and show me. Okay, Shivani done? Okay. Chalo, now let me do you match. Yogananda?
That in this case normal reaction for M2 will be greater or M1.
Oh, don't think about which one greater, which one lesser. No quantitative analysis here, only qualitative analysis. Okay? Yeah. Chalo. Now everybody match it. Congratulations to everyone who have tried. Chalo, I will show one by one. So let us say here I will keep M1 and here I will keep M2. Hey Babu, what is the downward force on M1? It is M1 plus M2 into G. Okay now? Fine. Right. Then what is the downward force on M2? Only M2G. Okay. Now let us take the normal reaction. Here ground will supply in this direction. Let us say this is N1. Correct? M1 will supply in this direction N2. M2 will give reaction. So this is N2. Correct? What about the Bichara earth surface? In earth surface, only N1 will come. Correct? And in the larger picture, center of the earth, here will be force M1 plus M2 into G. Is that okay for everyone? Understood? Perfect clarity is there? Yeah, right, Shivani? Okay. Shrutik?
Sir, M2 again, how it will act downward, sir?
Which one?
M2, sir.
M2?
N2.
See now, this M1 is giving M2 a reaction force of N2 in the upward direction. Correct?
Okay,
What
sir.
Newton's law says? To each and every action there is an equal and opposite reaction.
Yes, sir.
So this reaction will come here now.
Which one is acting N2, sir? M2 is giving N2.
M1 is giving N2 to M2 in the upward direction. M2 is
M2
offering reaction in the downward direction.
Okay, sir. I thought.
Got it? Okay. Chalo. Yes, Altaf?
Sir, why M1 plus M2 G acts upward, sir, in the second case?
So this total reaction force on the earth surface will be this much only, na? How much force with how much force M1 will attract? This entire system is giving a force of M1 plus M2 into G to the earth.
Yes, sir.
So what is the net force that is on the reaction? M1 plus M2 into G.
Sir. Sir, it cannot act downward, sir.
Which one?
It cannot act downward, sir. Again.
Down? No. Again, I am telling you, try to understand this thing. Suppose this is M1 plus M2 and this is the block. Here is the earth. This is earth.
Okay.
This is the center of the earth. Right?
Okay.
So earth will attract the block towards it with how much force? M1 plus M2 into G. The blocks will also attract the earth with what force? M1 plus M2 into G. Is that clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Chalo ji. Next, let us go for example 3. Now in example 3, just make it a little bit complicated. So here we have a study table. Okay. All right. No problem. Over the study table, a book is kept. Okay, no? So, H.C. Verma book. We are imagining that the mass of this book is small m, mass of the table is capital M, right? It is kept on the ground. A BD. Chalo, draw it. Do step by step. First draw for the book, then go for the table surface, then go for the ground. Step by step you do. So for the book in the downward direction, how much? Only mg. Right now? And in the upward direction, only normal reaction. Now this normal reaction is offered by what? Yes, Atik, good, very good. Pushkar, okay. Very good. Chalo. This normal action is offered by what? This normal action is offered by table surface. Offered by table surface. Okay? Good. Yes, Dinesh. Okay. Very good. Very good. Proud of you. You have learned. That's very pleasing. So once you have learned this portion, it will be highly comfortable. Mechanics will be then easy for you. You have to just imagine the situation, nothing else. Okay, Rushikesh, Vanu, Shivani, very good. Very good. Yes, right. Correct. Now, come for the table. So for the table, what is the downward force? Yeah, Maniteja, okay. Downward force is small m plus capital M into G. Right now? Fine. Now on the four legs, Rth will give normal reaction. So I'm imagining this is N1, this is N2, this is N3. Yeah, Aditya. Right. And this is N4. Okay, they may be equal, but here I'm just representative I'm taking, so I'm taking the different value. So this is done. There is no other thing. Now let us come for the ground surface. So this is the ground surface. So for the ground surface, first thing first, all these four normal reactions like this, N1, N2, N3, N4. This is N1, N2, N3, N4. And from the center of the earth, what reaction will come? Small m plus capital M into G. Small m plus capital M into G. Correct? We have missed only one thing here. Just one thing we have missed. This reaction N will come. Is it not? The table was offering normal reaction N, so that normal reaction will also act on the table in the opposite direction. Is that clear for everyone? Right now, Mr. Akash Kumar Chepandi.
So if we will represent the table as point mass, sir, then how we will be representing the normal reaction by the ground, sir, on it?
I am not understanding what you are telling.
Sir, if we will represent the table as point mass.
We are not representing table as point. When did I say that we are representing table as point mass? The earth will treat the table as point mass, not us.
Yes, I am asking about the ground only, sir. If we will see as a point mass table, then how we will represent the normal reaction?
Because normal reaction doesn't come because of the mechanical interaction. It is because of the electromagnetic interaction between the surface.
So then four normal reaction will come or only one?
All four legs, four normal reaction will come, no?
Sir, all are equal, sir?
It may be equal, it may not be equal. We will have cases.
Okay,
when
sir.
we learn about equilibrium, then there we will see.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Sunita?
Sir, you said that according to Newton's third law, for every action there will be an equal and opposite reaction, no, sir?
Yes.
So then for book, gravitational force is acting downwards, no, sir? Then for that, isn't there any reaction?
The reaction is showing, we are showing, na? You see the ground. Oh, just wait. You see, here is the reaction.
That is for table, no, sir?
No, table is only capital Mg. For the book is small mg. So net reaction is small m plus capital M into G. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Right.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Shankar?
Sir, one scroll up, sir. Example 2.
Okay. Vikash?
Normal force, sir.
Tell me.
Why the book is not offering normal force to us down?
Ace is offering the here I have seen. Na?
Oh, you put that, sir. Okay.
Altaf?
Sir, what is this week CDF test portion, sir?
First concentrate on free body diagram.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right? Chalo, let's move ahead. ये कितना हो गया रे example? Example 3. Now example 4. Amreshwar?
Sir, sorry, sir. That was by mistake.
Okay, okay. Sridham?
Sir, from the above diagram, can we say sum of the net forces is equal to capital M plus small m into G?
We will not say anything now.
Okay.
Although we can say, but we will not say.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay.
Chalo, my dear friend, next task. Quick. Information provided No friction here. हाँ पुष्कर बोल.
सर थर्ड एग्जाम्पल का स्क्रीनशॉट लेना था
तो ऐसे ही मिल जाएगा ना, तो फिर किन से काय का लेना बे?
सर. तब भी चाहिए था.
Shrutik?
Sir,
Shrutik, tell me.
sir, are those wires or what, sir? That
Oh, where's a rope? Those are massless ropes. Okay.
they don't have mass, sir.
No. They are very light rope.
Okay, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
no
Prakash?
friction means is it, sir, no friction is it means smooth surface?
A smooth surface. Yes, smooth surface. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Bhanu?
Sir, I'm Snehita. Sir, is it
Huh?
inclined at any angle?
Yes. You take angle theta.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Bhanu, tell me. This is theta.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me, Bhanu.
Hello.
Sir, then what about tension force?
Tension force will be there, no?
Should we draw also that, sir?
Yes. All the forces acting on the system. You should not leave any force.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Bhanu, tell me. Bhanu, tell me. Okay. Yes, Prakash?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, one scroll down.
Scroll up or down? Up, no?
Up, yes.
This much?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Right. Chalo, my dear friends, tell me. Show me the diagram. Yes, Tejas. Okay, perfect. Maniteja, okay. Yes, Atik, fine. Right, Dinesh, fine. Good. Very good. Maniteja, okay. Pushkar, okay. Shivani, fine. Done. Good one. Excellent. Punit, okay. Chalo. So let us draw now. This is M2G in the downward direction. Here is tension T. Here also there will be tension T. Correct? And vertically downward direction Mg will act. So in this direction M1G will come. So this is angle theta. So this will be M1G cos theta. And in this direction normal reaction will come. Okay. So that's it. Right? Okay. Yes, Pushkar?
तो स्ट्रिंग का टेंशन दोनों तरफ से लगता है कि एक ही तरफ से?
It always acts towards the point of support. Here is the support for the blocks. So it will act towards the support. Okay?
सर मतलब ब्लॉक को पुल कर रहा है ऐसे दिखाना नहीं है.
नहीं. Chalo, we have learned one more lesson here. What is the difference between these two diagrams you are observing? Anyone? Can you tell me? What is the basic difference between these two diagrams? What is the basic difference? So there is another force, no? This is M1G sine theta. Anyway, tell me, you look at these two diagrams very carefully and tell me that what is the basic difference? Yes, Akash?
Sir, we have tilted the graphs Cartesian plane.
No, anything else? Shrutik?
So first of all, what is tension force, sir?
Tension force? In our life, we have that much tension, Shrutik, and still you are not understanding tension. Suppose there is a rope and I am tying the rope on your waist and I am hanging you from a large tree. Will you feel some force in the upward direction?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So which one is holding you? The rope is holding you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So the force acting on the rope is the tension.
What is its direction, sir? Opposite to?
It is always towards the point of support. Just remember that line. It is always towards the point of support.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Right? Okay. So what is the difference? Anyone? Yes, Prasad?
So what is the normal for M2, sir?
Normal for, there is no normal, it is hanging in air. So who will give it normal?
Okay, sir.
Okay, right? Yeah. Yes, Raja?
Sir, it is like a rod-like structure, right? For
Yes.
M1, it is supported. That we didn't consider as a force.
Which one? Which one?
M1 down, mass 1 down.
I'm asking what is the difference between these two diagrams? Shiva?
Angle.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, their M1G is not acting vertically downwards.
Okay. Tejesh?
They're planes, sir, different planes.
Okay. Siddhartha? Oh my God. Just mute. Amreshwar?
Sir, vector.
Vector, yeah, bit closer. Anything else?
I'll think, sir.
Pranit?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir. In before cases, you took the earth will be giving its force like mg. Now, in this case, why you are not taking mg, sir?
I can take. If you want to wish, you can take. It's not like that I'm intentionally ignoring it. I'm just concentrating on these two blocks. That's why I did not take.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So after all these nonsense answer, plane, different angle and blah, blah, blah. Only difference is that here I am showing components of a force. Can you see M1G cos theta and M1G sin theta? Is there any component here? So write component division is not allowed in FBD. I told right in the beginning, only the forces acting on a body. So what is the force acting on this body? It's weight only, that is in the vertically downward direction. This division is looking like a French word. Okay, is it clear now? Yes, Manish?
Sir, nothing, sir. I was telling that no friction. You did not know, sir.
Okay. Rahul?
Sir, there is also downward force, no, sir.
Downward force is there, na? What is the force acting on the block? There are three forces only. One is its own weight. The other one is a tension on the rope. And the third one is a normal reaction. There is no other force.
Okay. So tension is equal to force plus mass into.
I told in the beginning, no quantitative analysis, only qualitative analysis.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Naita?
Sir, isn't there any force of block by, I mean, on the rope, isn't there any force by block?
Force is there, not tension.
That is applied by block for, what is it? Rope, no, sir.
Try to understand one point. Suppose there is a block hanging from here. What is the force applied by the rope on the block? It is tension T. So on the block, it is acting in the upward direction. Right?
Okay,
This
sir.
block is also pulling the rope in what direction? Downward direction.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear now? Yeah. Chalo. Next example. Example 5. Correct. So do it. Chalo, this is very easy. Quickly do it. Yes, Altaf, tell me.
Sir, what is the full form of FBD, sir?
Free body diagram.
Okay.
Don't sleep too much. Tejas?
Sir, in the previous question, it is pulley only, no, sir. It has mass too, no, sir.
Which one?
The previous.
This one, pulley.
Yes, sir.
Now it is massless. If the pulley is having mass, then you will also start rotating. There will become a question of rotational dynamics.
Okay.
Chalo, do it quickly. Yes, Prasad?
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, in previous.
Tell me.
So for every action, there will be opposite reaction. So
Obviously, 100%.
for M2, the gravitational force is attracting downward. Then normal, you did not, sir.
If something is floating in the air, who will give it normal reaction? It has to be in contact with something.
So means there will be no opposite equivalent reaction.
It's there, na? It's there, na? Why it is not there? If you think about this M2, if you think about this M2G, so M2G is applied by what? Applied by earth on the block, na?
Yes, sir.
So this block will also pull the earth with the force M2G.
Okay.
Okay? But no normal reaction. Yes, Maniteja, correct. Chalo, quick, this one is easy. Example 5 is dead easy. Yes, Pushkar, correct. Rushikesh, correct. Pushkar made the world record yesterday. Shall I say? In public? He broke all the record. Later I will announce what is that world record. Yes, Tejas, correct. So this is tension in the string. This is the weight mg, and there is normal reaction nc. Nothing else. That's the free body diagram. Correct? If we have to show for the wall, then here also T will act, and on the wall NC will act. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Respond me, please. Okay, now? Right, chalo. Next example, quickly. Now this is going to be a little bit critical, not much, only a little bit. Let's see who can do. Yeah, right. Yes, Ivani, correct only. Very good. Chalo, example 6. Two gulab jamuns are there. Yes, Mani Teja, okay. Right. We'll check. Pushkar, ball.
Answer.
हाँ ओके सही है, तेजस ओके, चैतन्य फाइन, भानु ओके, राहुल ओके, David fine, no David not okay, think about it. Atik, yes beta, but Atik do one thing, this normal reaction na you show it from the ground only, since it is offered by the ground, show it from the ground, it's okay, very good. Oh Dinesh, something is missing. Sutik okay, Sai Vardhan fine, Shivani yes, very good, excellent. Prakash okay, Rishikesh chalo, everyone has done, extremely proud of all of you, very good. So here let us do one by one. Let us say this is n1 in this direction, let us say this is n2, correct? This ground will also offer, let us say this is n3, correct? What are the other forces? Chalo ji, check. This is also a surface in contact. So this is tangent, perpendicular to the tangent, which line will come? Perpendicular to the tangent, which line will come? Radius only. So in this direction, normal direction n, in this direction also, normal direction n. What are the other forces? From here, in downward direction, mg, from here, in downward direction, mg. Okay, I hope this is clear now to everyone. Perfect, no? Right. पुष्कर,
इसको हम m1 plus m2 क्यों नहीं ले सकते सर?
कौन सा? दोनों मास्क सेम दिया हुआ है, क्यों m1 plus m2 लेंगे खाली खाली?
सर पर वो भी इस पर रेस्ट कर रहा है ना सर?
कौन सा?
सर ऊपर सेकेंड वाला 1 पे रेस्ट कर रहा है ना?
हाँ तो उसके लिए नॉर्मल रिएक्शन है ना सरफेस में?
नहीं सर, m1 plus m2 क्यों नहीं ले सकते?
नहीं, डाउनवर्ड काम करता है भाई। अगर सिचुएशन मेरा ऐसा होता तो m1 plus m2 होता।
तो टेढ़ा होगा तो नहीं होगा क्या?
नहीं होगा, बिल्कुल नहीं होगा। ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ विल कम ना। ओके यार, यस मिस्टर जगनमोहन राव।
Sir, there is no upward force mg.
Now upward force mg, ground will apply, no?
Oh.
That will act on the ground. I am not showing for the ground, only for the system.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Right. Chalo. Okay, very good. Next example, quickly. What example can I take? Now let us think about a spring. So let us see a case of a spring. Yeah, right here. ये कौन सा एग्जाम्पल है भाई? 7, example 7. So here you can see a block is there. So weight is acting on the block of mass m. The spring will be elongated. So elongation of the spring will be in this direction. We do not show this elongation, but still to make you understand, I am showing elongation. So definitely in the opposite direction, spring force will act. So that is F spring. So practically if we want to draw the diagram, this is M. So if I want to draw the picture for the block, FBD for the block, downward force is how much? mg only, right? And upward direction, how much force is acting? F spring, correct? If I want to think about this point of support, imagine for this point of support, how much force will it have in the downward direction? F spring. Okay, Is that clear? Yes, David?
Sir, there will be no tensional force in this, sir.
F spring is itself the tension.
Okay, sir.
That one clear now for everyone? Chalo. Just I am going to give the last representation and we'll try to get everything from here. This is example 8. So let us check who is a cricket bug. Name of the batsman, please. Name of the batsman. Oh, there are a few hands already. Yes, Raza?
No, sir. In example 7, it is looking like also tension force, right?
It is. Spring force itself will generate the tension actually.
And in example 4, sir, I am telling that why didn't you consider that inclined surface also one mass and it has also one like this one only, sir. Why didn't you that inclined?
Here the inclined surface itself is acting as an earth surface.
Sir?
Inclined surface is acting as an earth surface.
Okay. I thought it is also one mass and...
No.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. हाँ Chandra, tell me.
Sir, Kevin Peterson.
अरे भाग तू एकदम गंदा क्रिकेट देखता है. अल्ताफ.
Sir is Australian batsman. His name is.
He's Australian batsman. Huh? He is wearing a black helmet and he's an Australian batsman. This much you watch cricket. Huh? You
No,
people...
sir. He's New Zealand.
Shrutik.
Sir, Ross Taylor, sir.
Vignesh.
Elliot, sir.
Same, sir. Rod Taylor.
Elliot, sir. I think Elliot.
Okay. So all of you gave the wrong answer. He is the last batsman of New Zealand team. His name is Trent Boult. Okay, he is nothing but Trent Boult, and there is a very funny story actually why I picked this diagram. When he was batting, Australian, I think I forgot who was bowling. Either Mitchell Stark or Pattinson, I think, any of them, and he was playing this ridiculous shot. So commentator called this diagram as FBD. So there is an Australian commentator who very funnily called this shot is an FBD, but that FBD doesn't represent free body diagram. He told this a flamingo body diagram. You can check this person, just the fitness level of these people. He is literally balancing on one leg and he stands still. See his head position, bat position, everything is stand till, everything under control. So chalo, let us imagine that there is a cricket ball too. There was a cricket ball. So just there is a cricket ball in front of his bat. Okay. So it will be better to understand if I give yes. Okay. So now I am going to draw his free body diagram. So what will be the case? Tell me. Do one by one. On the ground, he is exerting a force in the downward direction. In this direction, what is the force? mg. Right? In the upward direction, what is the force? That is normal reaction. Correct? Fine, no? Acha, now come for the ball. For the bat is giving a normal reaction in this direction. Right? And also for the bat, there is a downward force, that is mass of the bat into g. Correct? the ball will exert. Now which color to take, Ray? This color will act. Is it okay? Is it okay? For the ball, this is the normal reaction, right? And for the ball, two of force is acting in the downward direction. No, this is not visible. Is it visible? Okay, now fine. So this is, I will write mass of the ball into G. Is there any other force? Hey, put your hands down. Unnecessarily, everybody is raising hand. Put your hands down. अरे बोल।
पैर पे भी तो लग रहा है ना फोर्स एमजी का, दूसरे पैर पे।
वो तो ऊपर है ना, ये एमजी पैर का नहीं है भाई, पूरा इंसान का एमजी है ये।
सर ऐसे कैसे सर?
मतलब उसका मास नहीं है, तू ये बोल रहा है?
सर नहीं, दूसरे पैर पे भी लगेगा ना एमजी।
अरे भाई ये टोटल सिंस ये पॉइंट ऑफ कांटेक्ट है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया।
अच्छा सर, ठीक।
गजब बात करता है भाई ये आकाश सर।
सर अगर हम बैट और मैन को दोनों को एक सिस्टम की तरह ट्रीट करें तो फिर बैट का वेट नहीं आना चाहिए ना नीचे?
नो, ये सिंस ये बॉल के बारे में मैं दिखा रहा हूँ ना, बॉल को कंसंट्रेट कर रहा हूँ ना मैं, तो इसलिए यहाँ पे मैंने दिखाया इसको। अगर आप टोटल वेट को कंसीडर करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली यू शुड नॉट कंसीडर द मास ऑफ द बैट सेपरेटली।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके राइट, चलो फिर बाय बाय, दैट्स ऑल। आई होप यू आर थॉरो विद द फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम। In the second half, we will learn about the equilibrium and how to write them in form of equation. Okay, no? Right? Okay. चलो, bye. Yes, Raja, quickly.
सर वो बैट को हिट कर रहा है ना बॉल को।
हाँ, तो और क्या कहाँ पे हिट करेगा?
तो फोर्स लगेगा ना?
पक्का लग रहा है ना, नॉर्मल रिएक्शन लग रहा है ना यहाँ पे?
हाँ, F, ओके ओके।
चलो, okay, bye bye. See you in the afternoon. Bye all of you. Bye.